How to make boomerang video on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now, go ahead and select the filter first. Once you do that, now you can take a video. Once you have taken the video, now how to make it as a boomerang. For that, at the right hand side, you're gonna find different option. Click on this one option given at the bottom. Click on it again, play once, click on it again, loop. Once you select the option of loop, your video is gonna appear in the boomerang mode. Now you can make changes to your video and you can click on send to. Select the people to whom you wanna send this boomerang. Then you can send it. So this way you can easily make boomerang video on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.